How to replace a toilet flapper. You're gonna need a new toilet flapper. So first, this is pretty simple. You just press on the lever to let all the water out and unhook the chain. Usually they're hooked in a hole in the lever, and just hooks in there. And usually there's like just two places that it hooks on in the tank. So normally you can wear gloves for this if you want. Sometimes I do, but it's really just water, you know. So take the flapper off. New flapper, and just goes on the same way it came off, like the two sides. There. And just put the hook. I'm gonna put it on this third hole here, just so the chain doesn't get caught. If you just test it, then like you can see like if it looks like it's gonna get, like the chain's gonna get stuck under the flapper or not. Can I do this one-handed? Probably not. Alright, so there, just hooks in to the lever there, like so. And I'll test it. And there we go. And the tank is full, and we are holding water, so we're all good. Put it back on.